Here's a pro tip for the Microsoft Whiteboard when working with images. Here I have a Microsoft Whiteboard where I'm going to look at animals that live on land, animals that live in the water, and animals that live in both areas. Now I have a bunch of images that I've downloaded of different animals. So I could go in and maybe grab the dolphin, select the dolphin, press Control C to copy the dolphin image, and then go to my whiteboard and press Control V to paste the dolphin onto the whiteboard. In this case, a dolphin lives in the water. Go back to my images here, and maybe I will choose a bear. I'll go Control C to copy the bear image. I could, if I wanted to, right-click on the whiteboard and paste, or press the Control V, and I've now put the bear onto the land side of my whiteboard. Then I could choose an animal like the crab, and I could do Control C to copy the crab, go over to my whiteboard, Control V to paste the crab, and our little crab likes to live in both the water and on land. And if you know anything about crabs, you know that if you see one crab, there's probably a whole bunch more around. Well, you've already copied it with Control C, so when you go onto your whiteboard, you can press Control V and it'll paste the crab down. So you can actually go in, you can make a whole bunch, Control V, you can paste a whole bunch of little crabs on here, and you can have a whole herd of crabs on your whiteboard. You can zoom out and you can get all those crabs to the size you want those icons to be. But this is a great way to populate a diagram. This is a great way to work with images, using images and just Control C, Control V onto the whiteboard. It's a great way to populate individual images, or as you saw, a whole collection of images.